Uh, Now we are casting the concrete. Okay, as we see here, this is staircase and this is the elevator. As we see the ductwork connection according to the design here. This is a duct, same size. Not the same size. This is bigger than the duct size, so we give space him to fix. Okay. As we see here, also this is the duct that is going up. Okay, and this is the support around the duct, as we see from bottom and top of the slab. And here also this is the plumbing work and also for HVAC. Here also, as you see here, this is manhole opening. And let's go forward to check this one. As we see here also, this is the plumbing work. And as we see here, he fixed it, this drain, line drain. As we see here, this is the line drain here for the floor. Heavy duty, as we see. He fixed it. It's here all around with support here, this side, and this side here also. He fixed this for the drain. This side. This is for the drain. As you see here, they are casting the concrete, and here is also the. Here also this is for HVAC. Okay, the other side here, as we see here, this is all the mechanical. Here this is for the mechanical also. So this means all the connection must be, all this pipe must be finished. Here there is one and one here. This side would be in the concrete. The other side is here. Okay, and here is for ductwork. So before casting the concrete, we must not forget anything for the mechanical to put it's like ducts and shafts, and if there is anything for plumbing, this is will be for this HVAC work.